Did you know that drip irrigation was invented in 1959 after Simcha Blass discovered a tree growing from a small leaky pipe? This led to the creation of Netafim, the first drip irrigation company, in 1965. Did you know that approximately 70% of the world's fresh water is used for agriculture? However, most of this water is wasted due to inefficient irrigation systems. This is where drip irrigation systems come in as a water-saving and environmentally friendly solution. Drip irrigation systems work by delivering water directly to plant roots through a network of pipes, hoses, and emitters, or small holes. The water drips slowly and in a controlled manner, so no water is wasted. So how do you install it? First, determine the layout of your garden or farmland. Identify the location of the plants and the main and branch pipe routes. Then prepare the main components such as the water filter, main pipe, distribution pipe, drip emitters, and an automatic timer if needed.